Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can read by the title, I am just decorating my niece's 3rd birthday party candy table treat. So if you want to see how I decorated and how it turned out, just keep on watching. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. I will greatly appreciate it and it will help me out a lot. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. This is actually a very short video, not super short, it's like 6 minutes, but I just wanted to show you guys how I decorated her table and it came out super cute.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now, I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Lay your eyes, sounding real nice. Go too hard, couple of times. Find the one, will I see a light? Turn around, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. All of this time, past like nothing, changing your mind. Face keep rushing, looking at mine. Come around, girl, come to terms with the fire, you're still mine. I just wanna see you live life. You just wanna lay down like you already forgot about the price. If we're charging you per night, yeah. Cash in hand, you be jumping at first. As if I would catch you now. I know you know I'm still in your thirst. And boom from the cradle. Make it hard, thing true, like some Play-Doh. Have it pop like it do with the yayo. If it a hit, I need to quit, no, if it fatal. You ain't fooling anybody with that chain on. It's so obvious that you still put your game on. When you see me heat up like you lift the flame on, it's a shame cause the pain always falls on you.